Good morning, folks. Got to hit the bush. Got an apple strudel and an espresso. Great swim. Water is so salty.
Stage number 1 down.
Swim number 2 done. We got some sort of water skiing action. On our way to a cliff dive. Just all hit a sick cliff jump. Right over there. Gonna ride the scooters back to town. Don't have enough charge. Uber it is. Trying to find some oysters to eat in Pula Old Town. Epic seafood. We're heading to Dvarka in Slovenia tonight. So about to get the train. Should be a couple of hours. Train leaves at 6 p.m. then we'll get in, go to bed. Seeing the Scenic caves tomorrow morning. Bro, it's hot and there's stairs. Castle on the top of the hill here in Pula. Saying goodbye to our arena. Backpacking out here. The shade playing some cards before the train. We're in Slovenia. We have made it to Dvarka. Epic train ride.
Epic train ride.
It's 9 p.m. Let's get some dinner. We had veal, venison schnitzel, homemade sausages, pork chops. Now we just got veggie. Coastlines were epic in Croatia.
Go on. Oh, go.